Every business area needs to see all spending clearly, especially where it's challenging to gain visibility and control. From procurement, travel, to human resources and external workforce management. Let's assume that in your total spend scenario you use Ariba for procurement, Concur to manage your travel expenses, SuccessFactors for personnel, and Fieldglass to keep track of the external workforce. You can use SAP Analytics Cloud as your single source of truth by connecting to and evaluating data from these data sources. The unique One Simple Cloud approach allows SAP Analytics Cloud to deliver BI, planning, and predictive functionality in a seamless experience for all spend categories across the company. Now let's have a look at how a total spend scenario in SAP Analytics Cloud would look like by using the example of SAP. You can begin with a big picture by analyzing a consolidated overview of different types of costs in your company. You can also enhance it with an automatic forecast to predict future results. From there, you can start analyzing and having a detailed look at the types of expenses, the cost of procurement, personnel, travel, and external workforce. Let's analyze the cost of procurement first. In this dashboard, you can observe non-managed, contract, and off-contract spendings, and also get details on all the suppliers, contract, charge profit centers, and purchasing orders. You can also explore all these KPIs on your own, for instance, the rejected amount per supplier. You can open the Explorer mode, dive deeper into the data, and display all available procurement information, and start combining these data to gain new insights. Here you can change the chart type. We can also insert some further interesting information and customize it to answer any ad hoc question. Let's now return to our initial overview and take a look at the travel expense. Here on this map we can observe the number of business trips, most frequent destinations, but also personnel data such as the number and cost of employees at different office locations. You can break down the number of business trips to different business areas and employees, and also gain a better understanding of the area of sales by turning on the Smart Insights, a feature that uses machine learning to explore your data and uncover valuable insights, such as the top contributors to one specific variable. We can now learn that the most business trips lasted longer than 20 days, they were international, and also most of them were event-related rather than customer-related. So let's now have a look at all financial information we have regarding these events by accessing data in SAP S/4HANA. Here we can now have a look at all financial information that is at our disposal that we have regarding these events, and we can review and compare actual and budget numbers for the past years. In addition, we can use the value driver tree to observe all the entries within the profit and loss statement. Throughout the story, we have learned about numerous events that caused the high number of trips and travel expenses for our employees. So let's now investigate what would happen if we decided to do another measure, if we decided to hire third-party vendors to support us with both in-country and international events. For this reason, we will start a simulation by reducing our internal event costs by, say, 5%. We will immediately be able to see the effects this could have on other types of costs, especially on travel expense. We can observe following effects, marked by yellow. Third-party marketing expenses have increased, as well as the cost of procurement. However, on the other side, we were able to reduce our overall event expenses, as well as the cost of travel. Finally, if we decide to hire external workforce, we can use Fieldglass to choose the right vendor in this job area. Here we can get suggestions based on the best experiences collected within the last years on who we should contact. We can also set filters to marketing and advertising agencies and constrain our search to several points. Thank you for watching, and for more information please contact your sales representative today.